After their stock split, Nvidia averaged around a $700 billion market cap. This makes them the 8th most valuable company in the world. Yet very few people know about Nvidia and what they do as a company. In order to pique into your curiosity, we will be going over how Nvidia became the tech giant nobody knows about. First, we must know where Nvidia started as a company. The name Nvidia is a combination of two phrases. This first was NV, which stands for new version. This is reflected in how the founders viewed the company in the tech world. They always wanted to be first, and they always wanted to be the new thing in the world. They added the term Nvidia to this, which is the Latin term for envy. When they combined these terms, they got Nvidia. Nvidia went public in 1999 during the dotcom bubble, which was an era where there was many new tech companies that went public during this time. Out of these companies, however, 90% of them failed and are not currently in business today. Nvidia survived this, however, and have been able to thrive throughout their history. The core reason they have seen this success has been through the sales of their GPUs, otherwise known as graphic processor units. Their original GPU debuted in 1999 with the release of GeForce. The name GeForce originally came from a competition between customers, and they have stuck with it since. GPUs have been the core of their business since its arrival, and still accounts for 47% of revenue today. GPUs are a specialized processor originally designed to accelerate graphics rendering. GPUs can process many pieces of data simultaneously, making them useful for machine learning, video editing, and gaming applications. They basically provide the foundations for graphic and computer imaging. Without the GPU, there would be no way to put an image on the display. Because GPUs have built the foundation for Nvidia, it has also allowed them to expand their business in many different technological sectors. In 2019, GPUs accounted for 87% of the revenue, but now they've developed many new revenue streams, which has allowed them to expand all facets of the business. A main leader in this expansion has been the expansion of their data center services, which has accounted for 34% of their revenue. Obviously, with tech companies, data is the name of the game, and is often more valuable than cash. Nvidia focuses on a different set of data, however, when compared to social media tech companies. They are focused on deep learning or artificial intelligence data. The foundation to this is the data center platform. The Nvidia Data Center Platform is the world's leading accelerated computer solution. Deployed by the largest supercomputers and enterprises, it enables breakthrough performance with fewer, more powerful servers, and giving insights that save money. The platform accelerates a broad array of workloads. This includes AI training with a diverse range of GPUs, meaning if you want to develop an AI algorithm, you'll likely need to use some parts of Nvidia's software, hardware, or data center. All aspects of artificial intelligence will be huge and are set to grow exponentially. According to verified market research, the global artificial intelligence market size was valued at $51.08 billion in 2020, and it is projected to reach $641.3 billion by 2028, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 36.1% from 2021 to 2028. Nvidia will definitely be a major chunk of this market cap, and the industry will not stop growing for quite some time. This means that Nvidia will likely become one of the largest GPU producers and one of the largest players in the economy of artificial intelligence. They are currently in the early phases of putting each of these sectors within the company together in order to challenge Tesla and any other company developing a self-driving algorithm. Every aspect of Nvidia comes together to combat the issue of full self-driving. What is necessary to develop self-driving is a pristine AI algorithm. Simply, this means a lot of data stored and processed by a super smart computer. These are creatively referred to as supercomputers. Nvidia is poised to accelerate this technology in the years to come to rival Tesla. They hope to run the software and the hardware that goes into cars, and they plan to do this through partnerships. Nvidia Drive, Orin, is being used by autonomous truck company Kodiak Robotics, automaker Lotus, autonomous driving solutions provider QCraft, and EV startup WM Motor. Overall, Nvidia is planning on having the foundations of self-driving and car software when it comes to electric vehicles. How did Nvidia become the tech giant nobody knows about? They did this by building around the GPU, as they controlled most of this market since they created it. They created software, hardware, and data centers that provide the foundations of technology we use today, including companies like Amazon, Facebook, Google, and Tesla. They have used these revenue sources to build new sectors of the company, such as autonomous driving hardware and software. They've combined hardware, software, data storage, and artificial intelligence. Nvidia has had a hand in every jar and has an emphasis on the future. This company has seen net income grow 80% year over year and is only expected to become more profitable. Nvidia is a company who has taken a large bet in the future, and they plan on being a major player in every tech sector. I hope we piqued into your curiosity with this video. Thank you to all those who stayed to the end of this video, and as always, thank you for being curious.